We're leaving tomorrow morning. We got 4 hours.
What?
Hey, she fired!
What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video on the Keeper Reet YouTube channel. Another 240 DIY 4-rotor video. If you haven't seen, we've been bolting two RX-8 13Bs together with a DIY shaft. This is the world's cheapest 4-rotor engine, and in the last video, we got this thing running.
Hey, she fired!
It's very loud, but it sounds a little bit like a wet fart. So we got some fine tuning to do, but bear with us on that. The grind is on. This thing's going to World Time Attack. James and Tarly have been nutting it out. Tarly's been doing some coolant stuff. If you want to come have a look at his coolant stuff, what do you call it? Are they coolant lines, hoses, lines?
Before we go anywhere else, I have a special announcement. I got a text on Sunday afternoon from my mate called Woz from PerTech, and he was like, hey, you know that flange that we milled down for you? That flange right there, that big flange that I spent ages on, Woz specifically messaged me and said, can we please have a shout out? So here's your shout out, Woz. Shout out, Woz from PerTech, Corey, my boy. They're all down, PerTech Bayswater, anything lines, anything hydraulic, anything fittings, and apparently even some machining, PerTech Bayswater. Back to you, Jesse.
Anyway, so electric water pump, still need to run that to the Haltech Nexus R5. So the R5 will power that up because the R5 powers the entire car because it's an incredible unit that has a PDM and ECU in one. It's amazing. Anyway, that's a story for another day. We've got some incredible products from PWR, like this amazing custom radiator that is taped up for protection. And then we've also got two of these incredible oil coolers. This stuff is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, so cooling system, we're gonna get coolant in this thing so we can run it for longer than 5 minutes and we can play with the tune. If I can't get it doing what I want it to do, we'll take it down to check a tuning and get Trent to tickle it before we take it to World Time Attack. Now, also, moving on to the interior, James has been busy in here, so our trans tunnel is complete. We're waiting on a shifter. We got the Haltech keypad mounted there, IC7 in the dash. There's also mounted a Tilton pedal box. Got a Tilton pedal box in there. It was going to be the best way to do this car. So clutch and brake, master cylinders, remote resis. Yeah, GJ Drivelands are whipping us up a one-piece tail shaft for this thing. So we may have it driving soon. Might be driving in this video and shooting flames and actually revving. So when we got it started and I was giving it little revs, we only got to about 2,000 RPM. And yeah, we want to get this thing up to about 8 grand. So what will happen at 8 grand?
No one knows.
No one knows. But we will find out. It could be catastrophic. We don't know. But we're going to keep chugging. If you're enjoying the ghetto 4-rotor build, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel. And we won't take any more of the boys' time.
We got about 2 days to do about 2 weeks worth of work. So we're going to do as much as physically possible.
Once World Time Attack is over, in the future, we are going to be playing around with some different exhausts on this thing. If we're not happy with the way it sounds, it won't be staying that way. Anyway, stay tuned for that.
Who wants to see world's first snorkel exhaust?
Corey! That's it!
Alrighty guys, we interrupt the shenanigans to bring you an update on our merch. I'm wearing one of the comfiest hoodies we have ever brought out. It's the Kang Gang Fresh Simple. There's plenty more on our website, so head across to keeperreet.com. We got stickers, tees, hoodies. Suss it out and get yourself some of this fresh merchandise right now.
All right, we have less than 24 hours to get this Trollvo 4-rotor, cheapest 4-rotor in the world, down to World Time Attack in Sydney. What do we got left to do, Jesse?
Haven't we got left to do? For starters, we can't rev it, so that's embarrassing. So that is high on the priority list. Also, the alternator's wired backwards, so that's less than ideal. And Darley's got to fix his 67th water leak in these pipes as well. I'm kidding. Over here, I gotta do chop springs, wheel spacers, wheels, brakes, water leak to fill up, front bar on, mount oil coolers, seats in. Oh yeah, shifter and tail shaft wouldn't be too bad. All right, anyway, leave me alone. I got shit to do. Mate, I'm leaving at 4, so it'll become James and Charlie's problem then.
Oh, hold on. Say that again.
We're leaving tomorrow morning.
So you have literally less than how many hours?
We got 4 hours.
What?
Mitch Mackey.
Trent, help me. Trent, how do I shoot?
Maybe that alternator is fucked.
Yeah, potentially.
Yeah.
Sam works on his own cars in work uniform.
Yep.
Pisses me off because he works in an office and looks like he works.
What's going on, Jesse?
I'm just trying to get the alternator to work. It's pulling so much juice trying to start it. It's causing issues.
All of a sudden.
Right, take 78.
These are the weirdest guards I've ever seen on a car before. They like, yeah.
They don't go like a normal car, they go like...
Slam it, it ain't gonna tuck. It's just gonna rub and cut.
Just trying to get an alternator working, Gary. Doing my fucking head in.
3 hours later.
We shot flames! Oh my days! We got stance, we got flames, we got 2 motors running, we got water going through both of them. It's been a big week, but me, James and Jesse have been hustling hard, and we have less than 24 hours than we need to be finished bumping in at Sydney Motorsport Park for World Time Attack. It's late, we still got heaps of stuff to do, heaps of cleaning up to do, but I've just gotten off the phone with Mitch Mackey. He got this thing running spicy, and he got all of the electronics doing exactly what they need to do. Shout out to Mitch at Mackey Elec, absolute legend. Let's get the Trollvo down to Sydney Motorsport Park. World Time Attack 2024.
here really late last night, just grinding.
I don't believe that. How was the date, Jesse?
Come on. We are at the Kang Gang factory at 7 in the morning. We're about to head to Sydney Motorsport Park with the VOLVO, and the boys did an incredible job last night getting it ready. Well done,
Dragging
James
it out.
entirely.
That's
on the VOLVO.
James.
You would have seen
That's
some of their footage.
Charlie.
They got the thing screaming and it actually sounds cool. It's shooting fire.
In flames right now. Wait a second.
We're gonna obviously still fine tune it from there. But yeah, it sounds cool. It's got an oil cooler. I don't know if you're looking at the oil temps at all last night, but they might be slightly concerned. Shout out Mitch from Immaculate Industries for jumping on the team viewer and tickling up the 4-rotor tuna fish.
Don't know, but I definitely didn't thank all of our sponsors last night, so I'm gonna rattle some off real quick. We got Optima, thanks to Mitch Mackey at Immaculate, because what a legend. Haltech, Motul, oil in the fuel, oil. Raceworks. We got PWR, because I definitely know all of these. We also have Pertec Bayswater, they helped us out with this build so much. Kansai Wheels, Kansai Wheels. SP Tools, we couldn't have built it without them. Last but not least, EFI Hardware. Thank you so much for their throttle bodies. They've been on lots of rotaries, tested, proven, and now we're gonna shoot them.
Heatwave sunglasses.
Anyway, that's our intro. Let's get on the road.